Good day, viewers. Welcome to Cyber Tech Arena. Today, I'll be teaching you how to increase the virtual memory of your computer. Firstly, let's check the virtual memory before we move on. Go to Start menu, you click on System. So when it's done opening, you go to Storage. Okay. On storage, you go to show more categories. After that, you click on system and reserve. Okay, now you can see my virtual memory is 2.75 gigabytes. Okay, so what we have to do is we go back. Okay, we go to system. To increase the virtual memory, you go to system, you click on system. So when it's open, you scroll down to advanced system settings. Here it is. On advanced system settings, under performance, you click on settings. Okay, then you go to advanced, you click on advanced. Okay, after that you go to virtual memory, you go to change, deselect the automatically manage paging file size for drivers. Then you click on costume size. Okay, after that you click on costume size. After you have deselected the automatically manage paging size for drivers, so you click on costume size. Now the next thing you have to do is open up your calculator. You open up your calculator. Okay, you have to calculate. Okay, for example, you want to increase depending on how many gigabyte of RAM you want to increase. Okay, as for me, I just want to increase about 4 gigabyte of RAM also. Okay, so 10, you calculate 1024, you multiply this by 4. Okay, if you want to increase 632, it's up to you, but me, I just want to increase 4 gigabyte of RAM. Okay, so when you get the answer, you multiply again by 1.5. okay, whatever the answer is, mine is 6144. you minimize this, you come here, you had 6144. the initial size and maximum size also 6144. all right, so after that, the next thing you have to do is click on set. Okay, after that you go to OK. Then it's going to give you this pop-up here. The changes you have made requires you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Okay, you have to click on OK. So once you're done with that, okay, so when you're done restarting your system, let's check the progress of what we did. You go to system, just like we did initially, and go to storage. On storage, go to show more category. Okay, go to system and reserve. As you can see, our virtual memory is now changed to 6.25 gig. Okay, you can change your virtual memory to any amount of gig you want.